In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the preview window in DaVinci Resolve. If your preview window feels too small, too large, or just not positioned in a way that works well for your editing setup, the good news is that DaVinci Resolve makes it very easy to adjust. This is especially helpful if you want a better view of your footage while still keeping enough space for your timeline, media, or editing tools. To get started, go to your preview window. This is the area where your video is displayed while you edit. Once you've found it, look closely at the left edge and the bottom edge of that preview area. These edges can be adjusted manually, which means you can resize the preview to better fit your workspace. Now simply click and drag from the left edge or the bottom edge to readjust the size of the preview. As you drag, you'll see the viewer change shape and size in real time. This lets you quickly create a layout that feels more comfortable for the kind of work you're doing. For example, if you need a larger preview to check visual details, you can expand it. If you need more room for your timeline or panels, you can make the preview smaller. Also, take a look at the top right of the preview area. Here you'll find the option for single viewer mode and double viewer mode. Single viewer mode gives you one main preview window, which can be useful if you want a cleaner and simpler workspace. Double viewer mode, on the other hand, gives you two viewers, which can be helpful depending on how you like to edit and compare content inside the interface. So if your layout doesn't look the way you want, you can resize the preview by dragging from the left or bottom edges, and you can also switch between single and double viewer mode from the top right. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient your editing experience feels. And that's it. That's how to move and adjust the preview window in DaVinci Resolve.